Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and all my stuff has been marinating in there. So let's see what is happening. I guess, let's shove the pictures over. Oh boy. Well, I'm gonna take the community newspaper out first just because that is impeding me getting anything else out of here. Ooh, it is falling apart in my hand. And it looks like the colors have run. But I am going to, after it's done dripping, park it here. Flat. Ooh, well. Ooh, that's not flat. It's falling apart. So not made of quality paper, but I'll try to separate the pages out of that after I get everything else out. So envelope that my thank you note came in. Ink didn't run, which that was just a cheap pen that who knows where I got it from. But otherwise kind of falling apart, but it didn't rip in my hands. So I'll lay that out. The sticker curled. It curled up, but it's not. The backing is a little bit, feels like it might kind of fall apart, but it's not when I rub it. And the front, of course, is, it's plastic coated so that nothing really happened to that. The only thing I think will happen to this, however, though, is if I lay it out or even if I hang it, it's going to curl up. But in any event, I was curious about that. So, thank you card. Does not seem to be holding up so well. It feels like it's going to rip when I go to open it. You're right, one-handed is definitely hard. Writing did stay intact, though. No running or anything that I can see there, but definitely trying to fall apart. It's definitely weakened, so I'll lay that out over here. Okay, I need a bigger area. My insurance bill, if you will, is falling apart. Colors look like they stayed intact though. Didn't run. But the paper itself definitely did. And good thing this was from months ago and I could care less about it. But I'll just park it there for now. Lightning, please. One of my assistants. My job offer letter actually didn't do so badly. None of the colors ran, none of the writing ran, and it's not falling apart in my hands. So that's good. Glad to know that the place I work uses high quality paper. So I have run out of room. But I would sit that flatly. To try. All right, and for pictures, those are the last things that I have in here. The wedding picture. I do not know how I'm going to do this with one hand, but in any event. Actually, I'm not. Please hold.